In this video, I am going to explain you 5 ways to earn money online for free. To learn these ways, please watch the video till end, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it. Let's start the video. Number 1 tip is freelancing. Freelancing is the sale services online like content writing, graphic designing, video editing, web development, and many more. In freelancing, you don't need to invest money. One thing you need to invest is your time. You need to learn skill from YouTube for free. People are earning many dollars from freelancing. There are many platforms where you can sell your services. These platforms includes Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Guru.com, and many more. Freelancing is best way to earn money online for free. Get one skill from YouTube and start earning now. Second one is start your YouTube channel. As you know, YouTube pays its creators. When you complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, YouTube start showing ads on your YouTube videos and start paying you. So start your YouTube channel, make videos more and more to earn more dollars. Make videos on a topic you like and start earning now. Truly speaking, monetization takes 3 to 6 months, but when monetization starts, you get every month. More views you get, more dollar you get. Number 3 way is start blogging website. Third way to earn money is blogging website. By blogging website, you can earn more money than YouTube because there is more traffic on Google than YouTube. Blogging is easy because you just have to select topic and then have to write content. You can easily earn $500 per month. As more traffic you get on your blogging website, you will get more earning. Number 4 method is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is to sell the products of other companies and get commission from every product. Such as you can sell product of Amazon and you will get 10% commission per product. Many people in USA, UK and Canada are earning money by this method. You don't need to invest anything, you just need to make an account on Amazon affiliate websites. Last one is to earn money is a social media manager. I hope you all use social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. You can be a social media manager for you have to manage their social media accounts. These were 5 methods. Hope so you like the video. See you in the next video.